Hi, everybody. I'm Brad Pike, your mayor for the City of Eagle, with this week's Mayor Minute. All right, our Saturday market is starting May 3rd, and it'll be from 9 to 1 every Saturday. We hope you come out and enjoy all the festivities that they're going to provide for you this year. I was also honored to participate in the Mayor's Awards to our youth at the Boise City Hall last week, and we had 4 recipients from our local schools. Roxy and Raina Lara came from the Eagle Academy. We had Ashlyn Gilbert Blankston came from the Galileo STEM Academy, and Nathan Mills came from the Eagle Middle School. All these kids were outstanding students and also a great peer to their other students. And as you know, we've been doing podcasts over the last year, and one of the ones we've just finished up was the Ada County Victim Center podcast, and we're going to be posting that on our website and YouTube. So look forward to seeing that out there. It's a tough subject, but it's really an informative one and something that all of our community needs to understand. We're still doing some construction in the downtown area. One of the locations is our library itself. We're repairing the concrete that was damaged from uplifting of roots in that area, and we want to make sure that it's all smoothed out and safe for you to enjoy the library. And as always, in conclusion, I want you to stay safe, enjoy this Easter weekend, and we'll see you next time.